Hello friends, today we're going to talk about something important for all the expecting moms out there. Prenatal vitamin. Taking these vitamins is like giving your baby a little health boost even before they're born. So let's dive in and learn all about them. What are prenatal vitamins? Prenatal vitamins are special vitamins made just for moms to be. They have extra nutrients that both you and your baby need during pregnancy. Think of them as your daily dose of superpower for you and your baby's health. Why are they important? When you're pregnant, your body needs more of certain vitamin and mineral. Prenatal vitamins are packed with goodies like folic acid, iron, calcium, and DHA. These help your baby grow strong and keep you healthy too. Folic acid helps prevent birth defect. Iron keeps your blood healthy. Calcium builds your baby's bone and teeth. DHA is great for your baby's brain. When to start taking them? It's best to start taking prenatal vitamin even before you get pregnant or as soon as you find out you're expecting. This way, your body is all set with the nutrients it needs right from the start. How to choosing the right one? There are lots of prenatal vitamins out there. Here's how to pick. Ask your doctor. Your doctor knows what's best for you and your baby. Check the nutrients. Make sure it has at least 400 mcg of folic acid and other key nutrients. Think about your tummy. If you're feeling queasy, try a vitamin with more B6 or a gummy vitamin. Tips for taking them. Set a reminder. Taking your vitamin at the same time every day, with food or without. Some vitamins are best with food to avoid an upset stomach. Drink plenty of water. This helps your body absorb the vitamin. What if you forget? Missed a day? Don't worry. Just take it as soon as you remember, but don't double up the next day. Alright, that's a wrap on prenatal vitamins. Taking these vitamins is like giving your baby a health hug every day. So, make it a part of your routine and always chat with your doctor if you have any questions. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with other moms to be. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.